In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mautic to N8N. If you're looking to streamline your workflows by integrating your Mautic marketing automation with N8N's automation capabilities, you're in the right place. We'll go through this process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have your Mautic system connected to N8N, ready for seamless data flow and automation. First, you'll want to navigate to the Credentials section within your N8N interface. This is where we create connections to various other applications and services, functioning as your digital keyring for streamlined automation. Once you're in the Credentials section, look for an option usually labeled Create New. It might present itself as a button or a clickable link, but either way, that's your go-to for initiating a new connection setup. Click on it, and from the drop-down or list of options, select Mautic. This specific option will guide you to an interface designed for the Mautic N8N connection. Adopting this method ensures that your integration aligns perfectly with both platforms' technical requirements. Now, let's focus on the crucial details of this connection. Mautic's base URL is the web address where your Mautic instance is hosted. Ensure you're entering a complete URL starting with either HTTP or HTTPS, as this clearly indicates the protocol used. This URL must be accurate, free of typographical errors, as even the slightest mistake can prevent the connection from being established. Next up, you'll need your Mautic username and password. These are the same credentials you use to log into Mautic, and they will authenticate N8N's access to your Mautic account. It's important that you have user privileges that allow API access, so double-check those settings in your Mautic account if you encounter any issues. After entering the URL, username, and password in their respective fields, take a moment to review everything. This double-checking step is crucial to catch any mistakes that could disrupt the connectivity between Mautic and N8N. When you're confident that everything looks correct, go ahead and hit the Save button. Saving these credentials is a pivotal step, as it formally establishes the connection and ensures that your settings are securely stored for future automation tasks. And there you have it. You have successfully connected Mautic to N8N. This integration allows for enhanced automation capabilities, linking the powerful marketing features of Mautic with the versatile workflow management provided by N8N. You can now create intricate automation workflows that enhance your marketing processes and improve overall efficiency. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're ready to explore the many possibilities that this powerful integration has to offer. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to consult the documentation or reach out to the support community. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks. Have a great day. Automating.